How do you iron clothes to remove wrinkles? Imagine pulling out a wrinkled shirt and turning it into a crisp, neat piece in just a few minutes. Ironing might seem tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a simple part of your daily routine. To start, find a flat surface and set up your ironing board. Make sure it's stable and at a comfortable height so you don't strain your back. Plug in your iron and fill the water reservoir if it has a steam feature. Check the label on your clothes to see what temperature they need. Cotton and linen usually need a higher heat, around 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Synthetic fabrics like polyester or nylon need a lower setting, about 120 to 150 degrees. Turn your garment inside out to protect any prints or delicate fabrics from damage. Lay the shirt flat on the ironing board, smoothing out any large wrinkles with your hands first. Start with the collar or neckline, pressing the iron gently and moving it in straight lines. Avoid circular motions because they can stretch or distort the fabric. Move on to the sleeves, cuffs, and then the body of the shirt, pressing each part carefully. If your iron has a steam function, use it to help with stubborn wrinkles. Hold the iron slightly above the fabric and press the steam button. The steam relaxes the fibers and makes it easier to smooth out creases. For delicate fabrics like silk or lace, place a thin cloth or a piece of cotton fabric between the iron and your clothing to prevent scorching. When ironing pleats or folds, make sure they are aligned properly before pressing. Use the tip of the iron for tight spots like around buttons or between seams. Iron around buttons instead of directly on them to avoid damaging them or leaving shiny spots. Once you finish, hang the garment immediately to keep it looking sharp. Properly ironed clothes not only look good but also last longer because pressing helps maintain the fabric's quality. Remember, patience is key. Take your time with each section, and soon you'll be able to iron clothes quickly and confidently. Practicing these steps will make ironing a simple and useful skill for everyday life.